Okay guys, it's real windy today. Not much I can do about that, but I'm doing some work up on my roof and got out my 15-inch Hitachi miter box. And I thought I'd show this video how I carry it. This does come with a handle, but this thing is heavy. And I did not want to carry it by the handle. You know, you're putting a lot of strain on it. And I wanted to keep the integrity of the miter box, you know, of the angles once it's set. So I came up with this handle arrangement that you see here, and I'll show you how that works. Here's the handle that I'm talking about right here that Hitachi gives you to lift that up. And like I said, this is a very heavy unit, and there's no way that I want to pick that up and put all that strain on the arm. And like down here where that pivots, that's a lot of strain and stress on there, and I just don't want to do that. I've had this miter box since the mid-80s. It's their 15-inch Hitachi C15FB. Really nice. Used this when I was a carpenter, built a lot of decks with it, and been really good. I really like this. So I always blew off all the sawdust from the motor housing around up in the blade area to you know, keep the sawdust from collecting there and getting hard on it. So here's the handle arrangement I came up with. I needed something that once I either put it on the ground like you see it here or up on horses, I needed the handles to come off quick, and I didn't want to have tools. So I just came up with this pipe fitting arrangement here. These are unions, and you'll see that there's green tape on here. On the other side there's black tape. The reason for that, and then these are floor flanges. Now the reason for that is when I make this up, these may not be exact center to center. So when I screwed this down and made these, this green goes to this green. Okay, I don't rotate it. It probably would work, but you know, when I put this together, green to green, on the other side black to black, that ensures, you know, in case there's any, you know, I wasn't building a church here, so I didn't want to, you know, I wasn't going to make sure that these were exact, just exactly spaced here, so I didn't worry about that. So if I'm going to be cutting 2x4s like you see here, they fit up against the fence. I don't even need to take the handles off. But with a 2x6, that's another story, or anything wider, 4x4. So, because I believe this is the distance from here to the thing here would not be 4 inches, but in this case, I've got to take the handles off. So here's how simple that is, guys. Okay, there's your black pipe unions. Which those are made for when you're working with pipe, water pipe, so you can take them apart. And that's the beauty of this, is that now I can go ahead, do my work. When I'm done at the end of the day or at the end of my project, I match up the green to the green or the black to the black. Set it on there. I just get them both started. I just kind of wiggle the handle back and forth. Hand tight, and there's your handle. By the way, I've got my chop saw same way, and another miter box. So you can do this with anything that that you have portable, that you don't want to lift up, that has a pivot point, and that you want to maintain accuracy. You can use this for almost anything, this idea, for a handle to carry to a job site.